I am a full-time trader for a while now. This one setup made me highest return on a single trade till date. I wasn't lucky to catch this move, but I was following a process. I took this long trade, entered here and exited here. That's 34% return without a leverage and margin. Today I'm going to show you exactly what process did I follow step by step. I call it sweep and reclaim setup. And by the end of this video, you will know how to spot it, how to trade it and how to manage it. Let's get into it. This setup has 3 conditions. All 3 must be present, and if you miss any one, don't trade at all. First condition is trending market. A clear structure is non-negotiable. Second condition is a sweep against the trend. Sharp and aggressive move that breaks recent swing high or swing low. And the last condition is follow-up candle that must reclaim 9 EMA with strong volume. Now let me break down each conditions in detail. First condition is trend, and I want to be very specific about what trend means here. In an uptrend, price making higher highs and higher lows, and each pullback holds higher than the previous pullback. In a downtrend, price makes lower highs and lower lows. Each drop goes lower. If you can't clearly identify this structure on your chart, like in a choppy or range market, this setup doesn't apply. So before anything else, zoom out, confirm the trend and then zoom in for the setup. Now the second condition. Inside the trending market, we are looking for the sweep. In an uptrend, price makes a sudden sharp move against the trend that breaks the recent swing low. Here is what makes it a sweep, not a reversal. First, it's sharp and fast. A sweep happens in 1 or 2 candles. As a result, it's aggressive and panic inducing. Second is, it targets an obvious level, like a support, like a round number. The more the obvious level is, the more stops are sitting there. And the third is, it doesn't follow through. A genuine reversal has a follow through, but a sweep stalls almost immediately. So when you see this on a real chart, a past move against the trend targeting an obvious level with no follow through, you're watching a liquidity grab. Now wait for the confirmation. This is our last and important condition. After the sweep candle, wait for the follow-up candle. In an uptrend, that candle must close above the 9 EMA. Not just touch it, but a pull body close above the 9 EMA. That close tells you the sweep is done. But this needs one more filter, the volume. Look at the volume on the reclaim candle. It should be clearly higher than the preceding candles. Here is why this matters. If smart money genuinely stepping in after the sweep, their activity shows up in the volume. Low volume means weak participation. The move might fail. High volume reclaim means real buying or selling is happening. When both EMA reclaim and volume confirmation are together, it gives you a high probability signal that the trend is resuming. So once all 3 conditions are fulfilled, enter the trade confidently. You should wait for the confirmation candle to close fully and then enter on the open of the next candle. Place your stop loss below the sweep candle or below the confirmation candle as per your risk management rules. And target should go to the next resistance level in an uptrend and support in a downtrend. Aim for minimum 1.5 risk reward. Ideal ratio would be 2R to 3R. Here are some of the common mistakes traders make with this setup. First mistake is taking this setup in sideways market. No trend means no sweep. So wait for the clear structure. Second mistake is entering on the sweep candle itself. The sweep looks like a reversal, but it's not. So wait for the reclaim and volume confirmation. And the last mistake is ignoring volume. This setup requires institutional participation to work. So volume is not optional, but a hard filter. This is all about sweep and reclaim setup. 3 conditions, 1 entry and full risk management before the entry. I've been calling this the sweep and reclaim setup, but honestly, I want to hear what do you call it. So drop your name suggestion in the comment box right now. If this video gave you a clarity, save this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.